Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good and studying really very hard. So, let's solve this problem number 17 from book Irodo, chapter Kinematics. Let's comprehend this question first. From point A, located on a highway, this is an highway, and from point A on the highway, one has to move by car as soon as possible to point B. Suppose there is a girl who wants to reach to point B as soon as possible. That means she has to reach point B in minimum time. It is known that the car moves in the field n times slower than on the highway. So they are actually saying that on the field on the field uh, whatever the speed with which speed, suppose on this highway car travels with speed v. So they want to say that on the field, in the field, the car travels with speed v by n times slower, or eta. Sometimes we say eta, so you can call it eta, but I am saying n. So now question is, she could go from A to D and then to B, but the question remains same, that will, by this way, by going to A and D first and then to B, will she take minimum time, or she will take more time, or turn she should take turn toward B at some point C on the road. What should she do? This is the question. So for that, in question also they have asked at what distance from the D one must turn, that she must turn. So let's take this distance as x, and how she will go? She will go like this. First she will go here and then she will take a turn toward B and go like this. So what will be the time? Okay, let me use another pen. Total time will be TAC plus TCB, right? Now AC will be, okay, we need to know AD. So let's take AD only. So AD, or let me write it, AD is equal to L naught. Okay. So AD will be, AC will be L naught minus x, this distance, and they have traveled this distance by speed v. So we know time is distance upon speed. So AC time TAC will be L naught minus x by v plus time BC. Distance traveled will be x square plus L square. So x square plus L square under root, divide by what will be the speed. So we know that this is v by n, right? Or if I just solve this, so I will get like this. Okay, now we have to minimize time, so what we can do, dt by d, and t depends on x. Actually here you must pay attention that t here depends on x, and we want to find minimum value of t. So t is the function. So for t minimum, dt by dx should be 0. That's it. So now we have to solve this. Now let's differentiate this. L naught is constant, divide by v is also constant. First term will be gone, will become 0. dt by dx, so while differentiating with respect to x, the first term will be 0. Now second term, minus x by v, so minus 1 by v is constant, and differentiation of x with respect to x will be 1. Now we are going to differentiate. Now this n divided by v is constant. Let's differentiate this. So this is x square plus L square ki power half. So we must know that half will come in front, and then x square plus, so I will get x square plus L square. I am assuming that you know how to differentiate this, because if you don't know how to differentiate this term, then how you are uh, we will be able to solve more problems here, because all the question will require such differential skills. So this will be keep to the power half minus half, because half minus 1 minus half. Now I will go and differentiate inside the bracket and I will get 2x. This 2 will be cancelled. Okay, fine. And I have to equate this equation to 0. Now v and v will also be cancelled. Now here I have got n. So I think 1 by n, I am writing it, or let's say I am skipping one step. 1 by n is equal to 1 by under root of x square plus l square. Am I right? And yes, above here there is one x also. Or let me write it here. Okay, this is x, this is multiplication. Oh, but now I think clear it is. Now let's square this equation. So I will write n square is equal to x square upon x square plus l square, and if I multiply it here, x square plus l square, and here x square n square, so I will get x into x square into n square minus 1 is equal to l square, and x is equal to l upon under root of n square minus 1. So yes, we have got the answer. This is how we will solve these equations. Okay, students. So if we want to find this minimum time, then we must know L naught, right? As we don't know, in the question value of AD is not given, so we have just assumed. But yes, we have seen to find time we don't require this AD distance. But yes, to calculate distance x, we don't require the distance AD. But yes, to calculate time, yes, we will be required here. Okay, students. I hope you understood and you have learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, then do like this video and give your comments. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, then do subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon, because if you press that bell icon, then you will get notification instantly whenever I will upload a video, and you will not miss any video. Okay, students, happy learning.